everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to make another kitchen decor idea. So for this you will need a cardboard, and now I am drawing the outline of tea kettle using pencil. Cut it out. For coloring you will need some acrylic colors, palette, brushes. For base color I am using light violet. Apply the color to the whole cardboard as shown in the video. So for dark tones I am using pen brush in dark blue shade. And for shading I am using some water. If you don't have this pen brush, you can use dark blue acrylic color and blend both the colors as shown in the video. Doing the same thing to the whole kettle. Base color and mixing was done. And now to create design or write a quote, I am using white pen. Again I am writing a quote with pencil first. As you all know that I am a die-hard tea lover, so I am just writing tea is love. This video is mainly for the people who love tea. as I am writing quote, I am also adding some doodles like hearts or cup and saucer. And now adding shadows to the coat from left side. So if you follow this shadow technique for all your letters, all the letters will look 3D. And now adding some outlines to the shape of kettle. And your beautiful kitchen decor idea is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.